Hello, young lords and learners. Welcome to this session. I am going to talk about summary of Ecclesiastics, Bible, the Old Testament. This book is prescribed for BA Part 2 English Honors syllabus of Magad University, Bodh Gaya. Many students have requested me to make e-content accompanied by video and study materials on Ecclesiastes. So, I am going to talk about the book. Ecclesiastes is a part of the Bible of the Old Testament. This is written and penned by King of Solomon in 440 BC. The book contains 12 chapters. This book deals with a nameless person, preacher, who calls himself teacher. As a matter of fact, the word Ecclesiastes means teacher or preacher in Hebrew. Hebrew kahlit means teacher. This book has 12 chapters. The narrator of Ecclesiastes is a nameless person who calls himself a teacher. He identifies himself as the current king of Israel and the son of King David. He opens with the exclamation, "Vanity of vanities, all is vanity." 1.2 chapter. He laments that everything in life is endless and meaningless, especially human toil and cycles of nature. For nothing is ever truly new on earth. Nature is the same mountain, the same river, the same fountain, the same field. But man has changed. As the wisest man of Jerusalem, the teacher feels that he is cursed with the unhappy task of discerning wisdom, for he has seen all the deeds that are done under the sun. 1:14. In the mixture of prose and verse, the teacher compiles his studies, hypotheses, and proverbs regarding wisdom. He tries many earthly pleasures. He drinks. He becomes wealthy. He acquires pomp and power. He buys property and experiences sexual gratification and views artistic interpretation. However, none of them satisfies him most. He says that wisdom is better than folly. He realizes that achieving wisdom is a frustrating pursuit, for the wise and the foolish die the same death. He hypothesizes that the best humans can do is to honor God and to eat, drink, and enjoy themselves. He notes that there is time for each good thing in life, such as birth or love. There is time for opposite, such as death or hate. It is difficult for mortal humans to know the difference between wickedness and justice, but God distinguishes between the two. He says that human labor is marked by competition, envy, oppression. He praises human cooperation and help. He discusses many foolish actions: gluttony, the love for money, much talking. He gives a series of instructions for avoiding such foolhardiness. Each saying has negative experience over positive ones. He claims mourning is better than feasting. The end of things is better than beginning. He suggests people to be neither too righteous nor too wicked, but to remain moderate. He bothers that both evil and good people meet the same fate. He lastly decides that the only factor in determining the outcome between life's opposite forces are time and chance. Thus, Ecclesiastes is a wisdom literature, like the book of Job. It is a wisdom literature which contains all the features, characteristics of good literature and wisdom literature. That's all. Thank